Okay, this is a tough one. It's called the hug laugh. It's one duel against another. So you two, and you two. The idea is that hugging makes you laugh.
Zdaj bomo naredili dejansko objemajoči smeh in kar pomeni, da dejansko kadarkoli objamemo koga, se začnemo lahko smejati.
So one group hugs, the other group hugs at the same time.
Ena skupina objema drugo v istem času kot druga nazaj.
They laugh together.
Smejejo se skupaj.
The couple or the group that laughs the most wins. They are allowed to fall down, but be careful. Be careful.
Smejejo se skupaj in skupina, ki se smeje bolj, lahko tudi padejo na tla, zmaga. Ampak pazite, tukaj je stopnica.
Okay, but we're going to have you over here. No, Thomas, you stay there. Sorry, you're over here. Ah, yes, okay, good. So that when we say go, hug, okay?
Ko reče zdaj, se začnete objemati.
Okay, ready?
In smejati.
Ready? Set. Go! Very good. Bravo. Very good. Very good.
Zelo dobro.